it will be very difficult to go back and cancel or revoke or take away the permits that have already been issued.
How many?
They may
Yes.
stop the
How many
they may
permits?
stop the program.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Attorney Golan, how many permits have already been issued, and how many of those applicants, have their extensions to stay here and continue with their studies and continue with their work under the DACA program?
The estimate is that the number of permits that have been issued is 750,000.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Well, it's a lot, but not in a country of 350 million.
Right. So there were still people who were hesitant to apply under the DACA program.
There were people who were hesitant to apply. There were people who were too lazy to apply. There
Yes.
were people who didn't want to spend the money to apply.
Yes.
All kinds of things.
Right.
For my experience, I know that people who did apply benefited very much from having a legal permit to work and stay.
Mm-hmm. Related to the DAPA for the parents, Attorney Golan, and who have children who were born in the United States, and in case their children are of age, like 21 or 22 years old, can they petition for their parents to stay here?
Well, if the parents have a legal entry, if they entered with a visa, the children can petition for them, and the parents will get a green card in a very short time.
Wow.
If the parents don't have a visa, entered without a visa, the children can still petition for them, and those parents would be eligible for what we call a provisional waiver, which will require them to leave the country and go for an interview at the American Embassy in Mexico or the Philippines or somewhere else, but will guarantee them a fast return.
Mm-hmm. That's something that we have to, always remind our listeners that if their children were born here, then these children do they have to be 21 years old to file a petition for their parents?
Yes.
Uh-huh. We have to let them know that there is hope that parents can stay here legally because the children can petition for them. Attorney